Hello, this is Sasha reporting to you from in front of this fabulous house, a replica of Tara. Tara from the movie Gone with the Wind. I'm going to be doing a walk around to show you the different sides to the house. I've already done like a frontal. So let me just show you the garden from this side. I don't think I got it from this side street. I did start with this side. This is the garden surrounding Tara. This is about the closest you're going to be able to see of Tara. I think it is the only architectural replica of Tara. There it is. It consists of 4 columns. It is painted white. And let me see what else I can show you. Look how beautiful it is. It has 3 bay windows on the 3rd floor up there. It has 2 chimneys on either side, and it's got some pine trees, very tall pine trees. Look at that. Like I said in my other video, I believe they added that because of the pines in front of Lake Pontchartrain. Look how beautiful it is. This is the front of the house Tara from the movie, 1939 movie Gone with the Wind, starring Clark Gable and Vivien Leigh. And their character, the names were Red Butler and Scarlett O'Hara. Forgot a little bit about it there. Sorry about that. But look how beautiful it is. This is my favorite house in the house competition here on St. Charles Avenue. Let me show you a little bit of the street. That is where the streetcar, St. Charles Avenue streetcar goes by. In my other video I said it's about 100 feet away. It could be a little bit less, but this is a view of the street. See all of that? See all of that? And they have splendid houses all around, but this is my favorite. And this is the path that leads up to it, made of slabs of, it looks like concrete, leading up to Tara from the movie Gone with the Wind, 1939 movie. Now in my other video I did read the plaque, so let me show it to you again. You may want to read it yourself. There it is, in case you want to enlarge it and read it. It was erected in 1941. The name is Tara, for businessman George Palmer and his wife Juliet Werman Palmer. They modeled it after the fictitious O'Hara residence in the 1939 film Gone with the Wind. The architect was Andrew Lockett, Jr. It was the first of the uptown fabrics. And then it says the rest of the story, which I've already said in my other video, in case you want to look at it. But look how beautiful it is. It is the color white, which is a little different from the movie, of course. But the architect worked on this model I presume for months and months. Possibly more than a year. And you see how it's got all this front, the lawn, manicured lawn. See all of that? And the corner has magnolia tree with bushes and some other plants. And then on the side they have more bushes. There are two really nice cars parked in there. It looks like a garage. And leading up to the house, there are 3 steps made of red brick. It looks like red brick. I guess it is, because the house does look like it has bricks that have been painted white. Look how beautiful it is. Okay, now over here, there's more of the lawn, which I'm going to show you. I guess this is where they can have a drink on a warm day. Back there, it looks like a cabana. There could be a pool. I would presume it might be a pool, swimming pool. And from this side, look how it looks. They have like a sunroom on the side, a lot of glass. It looks like French windows. It's been kind of warm today. And like I said, look at the pine trees. So that gives it like a southern feel. Like I said, a lot of pines are in front of Lake Pontchartrain, which is about 5 miles from New Orleans. Okay, I guess that's about it. I'm gonna walk up to the front to show you another view in case you want to take another look at it. And there's a fence. See that? There's a nice little fence here, but not so tall that you can't appreciate the house. And they have some kind of wreaths on the front door. The door has 2 doors. It opens from the middle, and the windows, there are 2, 3, 4, 5 on the top and 4 at the bottom. The bottom ones are the full-length windows from the top to the bottom. And there is furniture on the porch, the entrance to the side of the door. Okay, that's about it. I want to show you another view of Tara. Look how beautiful it is, and it has been a beautiful day. So this is Sasha saying thank you for watching, and that's about it for now. Thank you for watching, like I was saying, and bye for now.